Hi, I hope everyone's having a good Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. Today for class, we have a warm-up CNN student news. And then I'd like you to read pages 240 to 245 in the book. And those are lesson 3.3, lesson 3.4, and lesson 3.5. Okay? I have them hyperlinked, but this link probably won't work right away. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to log on to the online textbook through Clever first. And then after that, the link should work. Okay, but when you log in through Clever, you gotta click on the textbook and then hit launch course. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Okay, if the links do not work, then if the links still do not work and you can't figure it out, don't spend a lot of time trying to figure it out. Okay, because you could log into your textbook, and then if you click on Unit 3, then Chapter 6, and then the lesson number that you're looking for, okay? I'm sorry that they make it so confusing on how to do it, but that's kind of the way that they have it listed in the textbook. Okay, so it'd be Unit 3 that you'd click on first on the left, and then Chapter 6, and then like Lesson 3.3, Lesson 3.4, Lesson 3.5. Okay, it sounds like a lot, but it's only 5 pages, and the textbook can read to you as well. So if you want to listen, and as you listen, you can record the 3 things that you learned after reading in your virtual notebook. Okay, you need to have 3 things that you learned for Lesson 3.3, 3 things that you learned for Lesson 3.4, and 3 things that you learned for Lesson 3.5. Okay, so by the end of the day, we'll have a total of 4 notebook entries. Okay, and if you have time, you can reply to another student on the discussion board over the Revolutionary War. That's only if you have time. I think we have a lot planned for today, so if you don't have time, that's fine. You could get done on Tuesday. Okay. So for today, if you do not finish, I know I think I scheduled a little bit too much. So if you do not finish today, please do not freak out. Just finish it on Tuesday. Okay, because on Tuesday and Wednesday, we don't have as much going on. Okay, so if you need to take part of the day on Tuesday to finish the lesson for today, that's completely fine. Okay, but make it a goal to get as far as you can today. You should definitely get through at least one of these readings. Okay, one of the 3 readings, and probably at least through the second reading as well. Okay, so that's kind of what we have for today. For this week, we don't really have a lot of things going into the grade book. The virtual notebook is going to be a big grade though, and that's going to be due in 2 weeks. So make sure that you're continuing to update that and letting me know if you're having problems with it. Okay, again, to access that, you go to sheets.google.com, or you could just go to your drive and it'll be in there in recently edited documents. Okay, so that's kind of what we have for the week. Just a quick announcement too, on Friday, I'm going to be going through the grade book and I'm going to be sending parents text messages on talking points. Okay, so if you're failing or if you have a D, I'm going to be sending the message out to let your parents know. Okay, so I would start attacking this week and kind of seeing what missing assignments you need to get turned in as well. Okay, but when you do the missing assignments, work on them at night, okay, or after you finish the work, so you're not falling farther behind in class. Okay, so for example, if I decided today that I had to work on the quiz that I forgot to take for Monday, then I'm missing everything that we're doing in class on Monday. So what I'd recommend instead is do your work for the day, and then if you finish early, you can start working on the quiz, or at night after school, you can work on catching up. Okay, because you're still allowed to work after 2:10. Okay, so that'd be kind of my suggestion. Or maybe in another class, you have some time. You have some free time to catch up. I know it seems like math. There's a lot of free time in that class to work in another classroom. Okay, so make sure you're using that time wisely. Okay, let me know if you need help. Have a good day.